Well, hello everybody, welcome to Coding 101. In today's problem, we're going to be solving an extension of the problem that we did on the previous episode. So this is pretty much an extension of what we did in the previous episode. It's pretty much sort of like the same thing, but there's a difference here and there. So let's just get straight into it, and let's just read that. And it says, given a non-int n, compare recursively, no loops, the count of the occurrences of 8 as a digit, except that 8 with another 8 immediately. Now this is very important. 8 with another 8 immediately to its left counts double. So 8, 8, 1, 8 yields itself. It yields 4, sorry. Supposed to say 4 over there. So you will notice that it says if there's an 8 immediately after an 8, then that 8 counts as double. So essentially we're gonna have to like edit this and amplify it in a way. Let's just first change like the method, the overall method, well, not the overall methodology, but here and there. And instead of 7, now we are not doing 7, we're doing 8 now. So we need to change this over here. Then just put 8, and then come over here and change 7. Now we're going to have to come to these else statement. Now it says if n is equals to 7, then what happens? Count 1. But what if like there's a number after that, and that number is 8? That means we're going to have to count that 8 as double. Sorry, put that in there. Gonna have to count that 8 as double. So we need to like find a way to explore the next number. And how we're gonna do that? We're just gonna introduce a new variable, and we're gonna call it L. That means the number at the left, and we're gonna just do C modulus 10, and that's how we get like the number on the left of the digit on the left of the other digit. So that's how we get it. And now we check and we say if n is equals to 8, and don't forget the end, L is equals to 8, then you're gonna have to count it as double. Then we're gonna say L if n is equals to 8, and we have just that condition being satisfied, then we are going to count it only once, and we're just gonna add 1 to it, and that is practically it, and then we're done. So this is a very, very simple question. It's just an extension of the one that we did previously. So let's just run this and see if we did everything correctly. Let's just check indentation, because indentation is always sabotaging us. Put that over there, thank you. Perfect. This should be fine. And there you have it. You have 4. You can test with many other examples, but that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time on Coding 101.